balls.
Hey, Romano? How about these? Easy access.
Spain is having a lot of difficulty with the package.
Sandpaper. So smooth. Bastard. Yes. So smoother than you. You're smoother than chunky peanut butter. At least I smooth things down. You don't smooth anything down.
Tomato bastard, I will destroy your asshole.
Really? Wow. You took the initiative. Wow. Take me now.
A long day after shopping. Oh, okay, give me some roadhead there, I see.
It's not roadhead unless you're driving.
Oh, who cares? Just get back down there.
Hey, pass me the aux cord. Better not play shit. Don't worry,
tomato
bastard.
Sure, don't worry, I won't.
Bastard, I told you not to play shit!
This is adorable. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm gonna punch you in the ass later with my dick.
Oh wow. Okay, I am slightly terrified, but slightly turned on.